Hi everyone, today we're going to take cuttings from this beautiful dragon tree and create more plants. This is great as dragon trees are quite expensive to buy from nurseries and stores, so this will save you some money as well. I suggest you water your plant few hours before this procedure, or even better, the day before. Let's start by grabbing an empty and clean glass jar or something similar and fill it with room temperature water. Let's now take some disinfected gardening snips and make sure they're sharp, and let's start taking some cuttings. Position yourself at least 10 to 15 centimeters below the leaves and make a clean cut. Keep in mind that the place where you've taken the cutting will try to grow 2 to 3 new stalks. I will be taking 3 cuttings from this plant. Now, take your cuttings and make a 45-degree cut at the end of each of them. Let's remove the lower leaves and put them on the side. At the end of the video I have a bonus tip on what you can do with these discarded leaves. Remove half of the leaves that are left on your cutting in order to avoid too much water being consumed by the leaves. You can use the gardening snips to do this. Let's repeat the same process with all 3 cuttings. Take your cuttings and put them in the jar filled with water. Give them a little mist and leave them on a sunny windowsill. Keep changing water every week, and in few weeks your cuttings will start rooting. You can now either repot your cuttings or leave them in water, and here is the final result. As promised, here is the bonus tip. With the leaves we've removed earlier, you can fill empty vases around the house. These will still look gorgeous once they've dried out. Take a few electrical zip ties and put together some leaves that will fill your vases. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.